Remove the tallest frames from the swinging rack. Set them to the side. Remove the shortest frames above the brochure racks. Set them to the side. Unlatch the latch securing the swinging rack to the passenger side of the van. Close the swinging rack 90 degrees to meet the hook attached to the rack on the driver's side of the van. Latch the rack to secure it. Lift the T-bar of the base and slide the latch to secure the T-bar. Walk the folded rack towards the driver's side of the van and secure it with the right latch attached to the van on the driver's side. Note: you must first stow one short frame in the back against the wall of the driver's side of the van, then the two tallest frames, followed by the last short frame in order to clear the ceiling height of the van. Person outside the van will hand frames into person and van one at a time. Person and van will load the frames into the rack to stow them. Person outside the van lifts and hands the first brochure box to person in the van. Person in the van stows it in front of the frames. Slide the spacer for the brochure rack at the base of the swinging rack. Person outside the van lifts the second brochure box and stows it in front of the swinging rack. Person outside the van hands the boxes to the person standing inside the van for stowing. Remove the magnetic 90-degree door extensions by rolling down. Put the 90-degree door extensions into the white clear box.